You want to know what it's like wearing a hair system? Like being a superhero. I'm not fireproof! What pointless power to have? Shit! Welcome to Spot V! Okay, a nice and quick one today. A good win, if I say so myself. Basically, just to make your own leave-in spray conditioner styler, just with a few different things. Conditioner, argan oil. So you've got your conditioner, leave your hair soft, and then you've got the argan oil that will give it a nice, smooth, extra finish on your hair. So again, really simple. You probably don't even need to do a video on it, but I'm doing one anyway. So we'll get started. So as usual, today's video is sponsored by Lavivid, and I'll leave the description and links to all details to everything I'm using today in the description, should I say. What am I talking about? Right, you're going to want to start off is get one of these bottles or a couple. I got them from Amazon, next to nothing, really handy. Fill it 3/4 of the way up with water. I've probably just done a bit over. I'll probably go a little bit less. And that's going to be your starting point. All you're going to do, grab whatever conditioner that you normally use and stick it in. There's no set amount, but you know, you get to understand the amount that works for you. So you don't want to go too crazy, just sort of enough where it's going to mix and do what it needs to do. And I've got this argan oil. I'm going to do about 7 to 8 pumps on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close it up. Now give it a good shake. Right. And boom. You have your spray in a bottle. So let me just show you. Spray it all over. Spray it to go that way. And then you can brush in, leave it, and it'll leave your hair quite nicely conditioned, soft, smooth, beautiful. So I wouldn't use this constantly, because with the conditioner, especially a lace system, it will potentially loosen knots the more you keep using it. But that's the same as anything you use in your hair. If you want your system to last as long as possible, don't use anything. But otherwise, it's a pretty good alternative just to spray in your hair once every 2-3 days. It's up to you. You can use it every day. You might not loosen those knots too much and it might be fine. But otherwise, it's an easy win, costs next to nothing, and you've got something for your hair that is a lot better than just water or some of the other products you get out there that have a lot of different ingredients. Real simple mix, and that is all it is today. I wanted to share that with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Spartan V out.